If you come home late and hear strange noises, run as fast as you can. Otherwise, you might see this strange creature. I will show you the video, but first like and subscribe if you love your parents. If you don't like and subscribe, it means you never love your parents. So this woman returned home, and she heard a strange voice coming from the toilet. She was shocked to see this ugly and scary creature in the toilet. Send this video to your friends to warn them about this. Here is the video.